charcoal grills allow for great control over the cooking process so you can make drool-worthy recipes the way you want every time. Use as many coals as you'd like to achieve the perfect temperature and place them wherever you want in the grill to create different cooking zones. There are many products available to choose charcoal grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of best charcoal grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description box. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. Spark your passion for charcoal grilling with the kettle that started it all. The original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill boasts upgraded features, such as a hinged cooking grate for easily adding charcoal while grilling, and the one-touch cleaning system with high-capacity ash catcher, making for a smooth grilling experience from beginning to end. Holds up to 13 burgers made with a Weber burger press, built-in lid thermometer, rust-resistant aluminum dampers. One-touch cleaning system with high-capacity ash catcher provides hassle-free ash cleanup. Porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat and won't rust or peel. Use the lid hook to avoid placing the lid on the ground while grilling. Cooking grate is hinged for easily adding charcoal while grilling. 3D interactive assembly instructions for this product are available through the freebie ILT app. Number 2. Char-Griller E06614 AKORN Portable Kamado Charcoal Grill. The Char-Griller AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill and Smoker gives you all the power of a full-sized AKORN in a portable package. Featuring dual air dampers, temperature gauge, easy lift handles, and its signature triple-walled insulation, the AKORN delivers a superior cooking experience in the backyard or on the go. Portable Charcoal Grill. Kamado-style portable BBQ grill and smoker, perfect for both high-heat grilling and low and slow cooking. Grill anywhere. Grilling on the go has never been easier thanks to the convenient handles and compact frame. Perfect for tailgating, camping, barbecuing at the park, or at home in the backyard. Best-in-class features. Insulated design with locking lid traps smoke, heat, and moisture like expensive ceramic Kamados, producing flavorful barbecue and allowing you to use less charcoal. Heavy-duty construction. Made from heavy-gauge powder-coated steel with thick cast iron cooking grates for maximum durability and heat retention. Easy to use and clean. Control the heat levels with ease using the indexed adjustable dual dampers and thermometer, and quickly clean up after grilling using the removable easy dump ash pan. Versatile BBQ grill, 155 square inch cooking area, and precise temperature controls allow you to sear steaks, smoke wings, or grill up to 8 burgers at once. AKORN accessories. Pairs with the Char-Griller 6755 AKORN Grill cover in 6211 AKORN Smock and Stone. Dimensions: 20 liters x 20 w x 26h, 33 pounds. Number 3. Weber Jumbo Joe Charcoal Grill. Get ready for a night of tailgating or pack the car for a beach party. All you need are friends, food, and the Jumbo Joe Portable Charcoal Grill to kick it off. Travel with taste, or grill up a quick meal on your patio with the Jumbo Joe Portable Charcoal Grill. The compact size with larger grilling area and convenient carry handle is perfect for any weekend getaway or spontaneous day at the beach. Combustion byproducts produced when using this product contain chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm. Holds up to 8 burgers made with a Weber burger press. Compact and lightweight for grilling on the go. Porcelain enameled lid and bowl retain heat and won't rust or peel. The tuck and carry lid lock doubles as a lid holder to avoid placing the lid on the ground. Dampers allow you to easily control the temperature inside your grill. 3D interactive assembly instructions for this product are available through the freebie ILT app. Number 4. Char-Griller 2137 Outlaw Charcoal Grill. The Char-Griller 2137 Outlaw 950 square inch charcoal grill and smoker is a great grill for large families or backyard parties. Premium charcoal grill, barrel-style charcoal BBQ grill and smoker with heavy-duty steel construction and powder coating finish, perfect for high-heat grilling and low and slow smoking. 50 cooking area, massive 950 square inch total cooking area, fits 38 burgers. 725 square inch primary cooking area with a 225 square inch warming rack. Barbecue grill features: cast iron cooking grates, adjustable fire grate, bottom storage shelf, warming rack, stay cool wooden handle, wheels, and front and side shelves with barbecue grill tool storage hooks. Easy to use and clean. Control the heat levels with ease using the dual dampers and thermometer, and quickly clean up using the easy dump ash pan. Dimensions: 29 liters x 49 wx 50h, 114 pounds. Number 5. Char-Griller E1224 Charcoal Grill with Side Firebox. Are you looking for a Texas-style smoker? Look no further than the Char-Griller Smokin' Pro Charcoal Grill and Smoker. Its unique double-barrel design delivers true offset smoking flavor and is loaded with features. Use the main barrel as a traditional BBQ grill or load up the side firebox attachment with your favorite charcoal or wood blend to use as a Texas-style offset smoker. Includes an adjustable fire grate for increased grilling and smoking versatility. Charcoal grill and offset smoker. Charcoal barbecue grill and smoker with side firebox attachment, perfect for high heat grilling and low and slow Texas-style smoked barbecue. Multiple cooking areas. Smoke a brisket on the 580 square inch primary cooking area, and grill burgers and hot dogs on the 250 square inch side firebox cooking area. Heavy-duty construction. Made from heavy-gauge powder-coated steel with a double bottom for increased durability, and non-stick cast iron cooking grates for maximum heat retention. BBQ grill features: adjustable fire grates, bottom storage rack, stay cool wood handles, wheels for easy mobility, and front and side shelf workstations with barbecue tool storage hooks. Grill accessories. Pairs with the Char-Griller 5555 charcoal grill cover and Char-Griller charcoal chimney starter, both sold separately. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.